Hi, my name is Harun Ansari. Myself and Warren were involved in this S Driver widget project. S Driver. S stands for Smart. So this project name is Smart Driver and it has its goal. So S Driver mainly helps driver to drive smartly, to get help in case of emergency and to maintain the vehicle history, also to make vehicle journey more enjoyable by bookmarking favorite places. Also, it gives a parental control for teenage drivers and warns driver in case of absent mind. S drivers features. As I told earlier, based out of those goals, S driver has 11 key features. Widget. It's easy to paste on home screen and it will more comfortable for the end user. There is no need of opening the app and see the data inside. Just have the widget on the home screen, you are done. Vehicle dashboard on your phone. Whatever data available on your actual vehicle dashboard will be shown on your phone as well. Mark favorite places and remain the place when vehicle is near to that place. So you can mark your favorite places and the app auto reminds you when the vehicle is close to or near to that place. Using Evernote app, you can also maintain the vehicle history. Using your Evernote reminder API, S Driver has implemented such a fashion that it will auto remind you the oil change, fuel change, vehicle service that has to be done for that vehicle. Also, it gives a parental control for the parents, like in case if teenage drivers attending the voice call, texting, those information will be sent to their parents. Text to speech, it's one of the key feature designed for car infotainment so that like driver will have less distraction while commuting. Also, it will help driver in case of absent-minded by reminding by warning message. Also, it will help during emergency by sending a auto SMS. It will also record accident information in case of some accident happen with the vehicle, and it will maintain a black box where it will store last 5 minute vehicle data. Whatever warning messages, reminders shown on your phone will be sent as a notification on Pebble Watch, so it will be more user comfortable. So features in detail. Widget and vehicle dashboard. This is the widget for S Driver. All the icons down like fuel, odometer, engine oil are non-interactive, meaning it will just display the data. Whereas the top ones are interactive. So meaning like you can turn off the speaker, you can tap on favorite place which displays a separate screen, and for user setting if you tap it will display a separate screen. On center, so generally it will display all the warning messages, reminders. If nothing is there, by default it will show the time. This is the user setting screen where user can configure S Driver app. Some of the parameters are enter name. If he wants to enable the Evernote account, he can simply just turn on the option. If he's a teenage driver, just enable the checkbox. If he wants to send some emergency messages to emergency contact, just enable the option and can give a valid mobile number. If he wants to see all the notification on Pebble Watch, he can just turn on this option. There are two more options like trip selector and remove favorite. Those are self-explainable. Mark favorite place. There are three scenarios here. Scenario 1, driver goes to a coffee shop. He likes coffee in that shop. He can simply tap my favorite place icon on S-Driver app so that next day or whenever he goes near to that place, S-Driver app will reminds him about that coffee shop. Scenario 2 and 3 are more related to vehicle. Generally, driver prefers to refill fuel or change engine oil in their favorite gas station or in favorite auto workshop. Considering those scenarios, S-Driver app will remain or suggest favorite places on low fuel scenario or on low engine oil life scenario. So this is the favorite place screenshot. Like by just tapping on favorite place icon, it will open up a dialog box where user can enter description and can select the vehicle or any other category, and he can save it. So make sure like on the description, like just give few keywords like fuel, oil or gas, so that like S-Driver know how to distinguish the favorite place based upon the Honda vehicle data. So you can maintain vehicle history using Evernote. So whatever date or oil change date or fuel refill date, it will be sent as a note to your S-Driver notebook. This is a maintain vehicle history screenshot. Generally, S-Driver app will create a S-Driver notebook and maintains all your vehicle history notes in that S-Driver notebook. Vehicle maintenance reminder. So S-Driver, if it will see like if your oil engine life is less than 5%, it will send a reminder note to Evernote account. Even if it's a low fuel condition or vehicle service, it will send a reminder note. The best thing, it uses the reminder API of Evernote. So the Evernote app, like whenever you are opening, so you can see all the reminders, like what are the things you need to do. So based out of that, you can prioritize and you can do the works. So parental control. So as I said earlier, if teenage driver attends voice call, S-Driver wants the driver also sends a SMS to their parents. Same for texting, but currently that feature is turned off. Sample screenshot will be shown on slide 18. Text to speech. All warning messages will be displayed in phone and audio, so that like driver can have a less distraction while driving. So right now this demo app plays audio through speaker, but in future we are planning to play audio only when phone is connected to Bluetooth headset or car infotainment system while commuting. Remains driver in case of absent mind. So this is the key, one of the key features. Say there are two scenarios. Let me explain here. So first one, like turn on your left. I mean, if driver turns on his left turn signal, and he's mistakenly driving the right turn, then S-Driver app will warn you by playing your audio warning message. Also same thing, if you are turning on your turn signal and you're driving straightly in a highway and you forgot to turn off your turn signal, so your S-Driver will wait for around 15 seconds and then it will remind you by playing a audio message. Just a screenshot here. Say here, forgot to turn off your indicator. So if you are turning on your speaker, you can hear this thing. So emergency help. So on a bad day, if driver met with an accident, S-Driver notifies to his emergency contact by sending SMS. And how does it accident event is calculated is based out of laterality and longitudinality force. So here, so for the parental SMS control, see here, getting your attending voice call while driving. The second one for accident notification to emergency contact, say test SM met with an accident, place at what time everything will be sent here as SMS. So accident, black box log. So on a bad day, driver met with an accident. S-Driver collects vehicle data and sends to your Evernote account as an attachment. So what does this black box contains? So it basically it has the accident time and that place. Also like last 5 minute log. So when I say like last 5 minute log, 4 minute pre accident and 1 minute post accident. So totally 5 minute log will be there. And since it's a circular buffer fashion we are storing, so there is no worry about memory wastage, and it can help as a proof to the vehicle insurance company in case not your fault. So here is the sample screenshot, and here is the black box attachment. So Pebble Watch. So all warning messages, whatever uh, driver sends, it will send to even Pebble Watch all the messages, reminders, favorite places, so that like it is user make it, this makes like end user more comfortable. He can see all the notification either on Pebble Watch or phone, whatever is convenient. But we didn't test it with the actual Pebble Watch, so we're just pasting this so a sample screenshot. But this code has been already integrated and implemented. Sample log just for so demo mode. So this is a clearly explained like how to use the app, so you can follow up all these things, and there is a section, and also this PPT will be available with the source code. You can refer this later, like if you want to see in more detail with slowly, you can always go to this source code and you can get this PPT. Thank you.